The wind was strong, the sky was wide, our kite was flying high. It looped and danced above the trees in bright blue SkyTown sky. Then whoosh, a sudden twist of wind, it spun and pulled too tight. The string wrapped round a tall tree branch, our kite was stuck in sight. Mission start, let's play it smart. Step by step we do our part. Measure, plan, and build it right. SkyTown team will
This
make
is the
it
best
right.
idea we've
Side
ever
by
had.
side, we figured it out. That's what teamwork's all about. Mission start, heart and soul. We will reach our every goal. We pulled once hard, the leaves fell down, the knot just tangled more. If pulling makes it worse, let's try another way.
Here,
We
this will
measured
be
high,
very
we
useful.
drew a hook, a stick taped nice and tight. Lift the string up and over the branch, that just might free our kite.
Slow and steady, lift it up. Careful, don't let go.
The hook slid under tangled string, a gentle upward flow. One small nudge, the branch let loose, the string slipped free at last. The kite came floating safely down. We did it! Mission passed!
We did it!
Mission start, let's play it smart. Step by step we do our part.
This might just work.
Measure, plan, and build it right. SkyTown team will make it right. Side by side, we figure it out. That's what teamwork's all
We're the best
about.
team in the whole city.
Mission
I
start,
totally agree.
heart
We can
and
do
soul.
anything. Look
We
how high the
will
kite
reach our
is.